Ai, kua tau mai te iwi Māori, te reo Māori ki konei, ki tēnei whenua iwi taketake.
We don't like the word Mohawk because when it was given to us, it basically meant man-eater. Like, they were saying we were cannibals or, savage people. So Ganyet Gahaga, which is, the name that we recognize for ourselves, which means people of the flint.
We're known as the Cree, but in our language we say nehiao. Nehiao.
Nihil.
Yeah, nehiao, nehio. It's just means the people or the people of four directions. Well, for us, it's something that was lost for quite a few years. So it's something that a lot of people are reclaiming today. A lot of our elders still speak it. A lot of people in our communities still speak it. So it is coming back. People are learning more and more. But I would say the state is in a better place than it was maybe 10, 20 years ago.
I'm sorry, I don't speak English very well. I speak on the bus.
E rongo ana I te rere o ngā reo taketake, o roto I o ngā iwi nei, me te ua ki te whakahuahua I te reo Pākehā, I te reo kua heha. E pupuru ana ki ngō rātau ake reo, koina te reka. Te reka pia o te rongo atu I nginei reo rereke e puruti ana.
Na que é onde Mariselma, onde Ihai Brasil, onde Ihai Panana, Ihai Terena.
Ki au nei, e ora marikana te reo Māori ki ahau. Nā taku kuia ahana te hemara, te pēti hana reo Māori, I whakatakotohia ki runga I te kuaha o te whare pāremata.